Hey guys, we received this LyxPro 39-inch electric guitar kit bundle for test and try. So this comes in a really nice box and it's a complete starter kit with a 20-watt amplifier, all accessories, digital clip-on tuner, 6 strings, 2 picks, tremolo bar and a shoulder strap with a case bag. So it's a complete starter kit. So let me just take out everything from here. So this is the accessory kit and stuff. So that's have a lot of things here. So this also have this amplifier or this kit, the 20-watt, and the accessory kits also have like the other things. So basically you have seen like say this is the amplifier cable, extra strings, strap, tuner, manual, and some extra classes things. So this is basically a complete set for starting anything. So for the new people like me or the kids that if you want to learn and do the stuff, so this is very helpful. So this is the plug and play and a very nice speaker so that you can attach your electric guitar with it and the sound and quality and stuff is good. So let me just put and set up everything. So this one is the guitar case. So the electric guitar is inside this. This is a retro blue color that we received. And just take me out. Let me take it out everything carefully and then show it to you. So this carry case is also very nice, waterproof zipper, and can have all the accessories in the front. And then the things. So this is a good for the beginners and intermediate players with the tuning pads and the maple neck on the fingerboard, and then 39 inches in total length. So you can see a very nice color, very nice combination, and this is the aux cable. So we have to just attach this cable with the guitar and then extra picks and stuff. So this is the strap for the guitar. So you can have this shoulder strap and then enjoy this one. So let me just add up all that stuff one by one and then show it to you. So you can just add in the strap so that you can hold it on the stuff. So this is really nice even for the kid as a beginner. So you don't know anything to play much, but still you can see and learn things. So with the quality wise, the aux cable and everything looks nice and fits well with the tube in the tuning mode. This is all the peg you can adjust, and this comes all the extra string. You can also have this tuner that to set up the tune, so that comes also with it. And this is the small like the volume lever, volume button, treble, bass, and stuff you can control, and is nice. Like the I will say is a nice set for everything. And you can also connect this with the MP3 player or the mobile phone or the guitar. So this speaker is also nice to have, and you can put it anything you want for it. So this is a great thing for a starter and hope you like this as well. The great thing for the starter to have with everything you need to start with the electric guitar.